Have you ever wished for a way to instantly calm your mind and feel safe in your own body? Today, I'll guide you through an 8-minute butterfly hug meditation that will soothe your mind and body in a powerful way. Let's begin. Cross your hands, hook your thumbs, placing them over your chest. Start tapping one hand at a time on opposite sides of your chest. Let your rhythm be soft and natural. There is no rush. Keep your eyes closed and breathe softly and slowly through your nose. As you gently tap your hands, alternating left and right, like the fluttering of butterfly wings, let any tension melt away and any pain be soothed. If thoughts arise, just acknowledge them without judgment and kindly bring your awareness back to the rhythm of your tapping hands and breath. Notice any sensations in your body, maybe a sense of warmth, comfort, or even a subtle shift in your energy. Let each tap remind you that you are safe, you are grounded, and you are present. Now slowly let your tapping come to a natural stop and place your hands in your lap. Notice how you feel in this moment. Perhaps you feel safer or a bit more soothed. Thank you for joining me in this butterfly hug meditation. Kindly subscribe to my channel Mayura if you'd like to do more meditations with me, Kevin. I hope you have a lovely day and remember to be kind to yourself. Namaste.